Okay. Okay, let's get going. I see people coming in from the waiting room. Hopefully a few more will arrive, but no worries. Welcome to our virtual open house, everyone. My name is Michael Relf. I'm the head of admissions here at International School Basel. And around me, I have some of the great and the good of our middle school team who we'll introduce a little bit later. And they'll be taking over and talking about some specific aspects of what we do here and what we can offer. With that in mind, I'm going to give you a quick overview of how the evening is going to go. We've planned for this to run for somewhere between 40 and 45 minutes. And the goal of this is to meet your needs, answer your questions, and make sure that you leave this afternoon, confident with what we can provide you and a full understanding of how your sons and daughters will experience life here in our ISB middle school. And we're going to do that through kind of three stages, if you will. Stage one, I'm going to give you a brief information overview about ISB as a school. I'm then going to hand over to Tara Wardby, our middle school principal. She's going to talk to you specifically about the offering in the middle school and what we provide in that part of our profile, if you will, across our whole campuses. And then the third aspect is we're going to set up some breakout rooms. And we're going to have a chance to look at very specific aspects of what we do. One will be about academics, one will be about school life, and they're run by Sian Thomas and Anthony Ledbetter. Those breakout rooms we're going to repeat. We're going to do those so there are small groups. You get a chance to answer questions, ask questions, and make sure that the evening is tailored to your needs specifically, rather than just a general sit there and listen to us talking about life here. If I may, I'm going to give you a very quick couple of Zoom logistics, if that's okay with everyone. It would be lovely to see you all. If you're happy putting the video on, that'd be great. We'd love to be able to engage and see who we're talking to. Feel free to unmute yourself anytime. If you have questions, do feel free to interrupt us and ask questions as you go forward. The chat function is also running. We'll monitor that. So if you've got specific things you would like to raise, please type them into the chat. We will then try and respond to those at some point during the evening. We will also make this available tomorrow and send it out to all the participants. So you don't need to scribble, furious notes. We will send it out to you tomorrow with the recording so you can see and hear exactly what was said this evening as well. So, firstly, my name is Michael Relf. As I've said, I'm going to give you some quick kind of general things about the school. But before I do, I'm going to play a very short video to give you a feel for what ISB is all about.
The International School Basel is the only school in the region offering 3 international baccalaureate programs in English for children aged 3 to 19. Spanning 3 campuses, ISB is home to over 1,300 students and more than 60 nationalities. We provide a holistic educational experience that promotes a long-lasting curiosity for learning, cultural awareness, and international understanding. 13 fully equipped science labs across our 3 campuses allow students to have a hands-on approach to their learning, inspiring investigation, collaboration, and inquiry. Dedicated music, drama, and art spaces foster creativity and allow students to express themselves artistically. With more than 50 athletics teams spanning from junior to senior school, our students enjoy access to quality indoor and outdoor sports facilities, equipment, and coaching in our 3 campuses. Our commitment to performing arts is reflected in the wide range of activities that we offer in drama, theatre, music, and visual arts. With over 200 co-curricular activities around technology, communication, sports, and well-being, we recognise the importance of learning outside the classroom to foster creativity, innovation and leadership from a young age. At ISB, we live our mission every day, and this is reflected in what we do and how we do it. At ISB, we all want to learn more. We all do it in different ways. We all have fun learning. We all help. Come and visit us and discover all this and much more.
So hopefully you enjoyed that. Sorry for the little break in the middle. It gives a very good overview of what we are as a school, but one of the key messages that's within the video is that we live our mission. And I realize that every school has a mission that it writes up on walls and on shiny brochures, but ours is very much at the core of what we do. And that's encompassed in what you see there. We want to learn more. We all do it in different ways. We have fun learning and we all help. And we are very much a community of learners, and that includes everyone in the building. That's our students, our teachers, the faculty, all of the members of our community. And that kind of shapes what we believe and what we do. And hopefully when you come and join us, if you come and join us, it'll be something that you can kind of buy into and see and live as part of that experience. We are the only non-profit school, international school, offering the full range of IB programs, primary years, middle years, and diploma program across our 3 campuses. We're a massively diverse community. We have 61 nationalities on campus at the moment, and that represents 1,000, just under 1,300 students spread across those 3 campuses. So if you come to ISB, the experience will be one of diversity and multiculturalism and internationalism. There is no dominant particular ethnic or national group. In every class, there will be a massive diversity of learners in terms of their background, their experiences, where they've come from, and what they bring to the room. And that provides opportunities for all of us to learn from each other as well. Our 1,300 students are spread over 3 campuses. We have our campus in Ash, which deals with all of our young learners from the early childhood all the way up to grade 6. So for this evening, if you're a parent of a child who might be in grade 6, 11 to 12 years old, they would be on our Ash campus. And then right next door is the Featon campus, which deals with our 7 and 8 grade students. And they have their own designated building and campus just for those 2 grade levels. And I think that provides a really good, welcoming space for them. They're amongst their peers, they're amongst people of the same age, same interests, and that allows them to interact without fear of judgment by older kids, and it allows them to be free in the way they learn and interact with us. I think it creates a fantastically positive environment for the learners. We're a big school across 3 campuses, but we very much believe in the notion that the journey of learning is unique for each individual. So we are very much an IB school, and that IB notion or educational philosophy is centered around the individual, the learner. So we are focused on the future. We are an excellent school. When you look at our outcomes in high school, in terms of the academics, again, they are exceptional. We have a holistic education. We offer lots of support to our learners. And I think, I hope that you will see we've got fantastic facilities. And if you choose to join us, you will see that yourself, see that for yourselves. I'm going to be around in the background. Feel free to use the chat, send messages, and then I can make a note and get back to you either individually or to the group as a whole, if I think it's something that is germane to the rest of us. As it is, I'm going to stop talking and hand over to Tara Wardby, who is far more knowledgeable about such things. She's our middle school principal. Tara, over to you.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. And thank you so much for your interest in our middle school. As Mike alluded to, it's a wonderful, wonderful place to grow our young minds, build confidence, and offer a truly holistic program. I'd like to just begin by introducing our team. In addition to the incredibly talented and phenomenal teachers we have on our campus, we also have 5 of us who serve as the leadership team in the middle school. Mr. Anthony Ledbetter is here with us, and you'll meet him shortly in the breakout room. He's our middle school assistant principal, and his focus is really on pastoral care and well-being. And then Ms. Shawn Thomas is our MYP coordinator. She actually leads our MYP program across 2 campuses, actually across 3 campuses, Ash, Fichten, and the first 2 years of high school. And she sort of serves as the academic director of the MYP. So you'll also be able to meet her and ask her further questions. And then in addition to Shawn and Anthony, we also have Tony Jones and Steve Ailing, our 2 middle school counselors. And so I think you can see from this team that we have a lot of support as we build out a rigorous and enriching academic program, but also a holistic school experience for your children. And so our big question for ourselves every year, like, what's unique about ISB? What makes us different from any other school? And so we ask ourselves this question: what will our students feel, think, and do as a result of our time together? In fact, we just had a faculty meeting earlier, and we had posed this question of ourselves in August. And today we were celebrating and sharing all the different learning experiences that students have had. But it's a holistic question that we ask ourselves all of the time. What is it that we want students to feel connected and welcome and supported? We want them to be engaged in rigorous learning that is focused on curiosity and inquiry, but we also want them to have impact and take action and serve in our context and also in our community. And so I think this is something that we can promise to you, that it is a holistic experience, and we're really focused on your child and what they need in order to grow and flourish in the middle years. We are proud to be a full IB school. And for us, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade is the beginning of the middle years program, which has just a phenomenal, I can speak as a parent and as an educator, but just a phenomenal approach to learning that's interdisciplinary, integrated, incorporates a number of different things in addition to our core subjects. And really, I would say, is focused on the next century, the 22nd century now, in building out those skills of inquiry, questioning, empathy, compassion, and all types of things. We are very committed to the learner profile, which is a core part of the IB throughout all 3 programs. And our homeroom program is built around that. And so I think I've used the word inquiry several times now, but really at the heart of the MYP is inquiry and curiosity and engagement. In addition to our academics, though, we also have a host of other experiences. Mr. Ralph, if you want to go to the next slide. Because we are ISB dragons, and our core question is, what does it mean to be an ISB dragon? And so we are confident in what they're learning in their classes, but what does that look like in the rest of the school day? We're very proud to have something very unique to ISB. It's our co-curricular program. So it's part of our school day, our Z block, which is opportunities for students to further explore interests and passions that maybe aren't served in a typical academic program, and also service and leadership opportunities and opportunities for connecting as a community. We have a phenomenal athletics program, as you saw in the video, and our goals as a school are really focused on well-being as well. So it's not just what our students learn, but who they are, who they become, and how we support them. Our school is very committed to sustainability. And then, of course, we're in Switzerland, so we're pleased to have a number of wonderful trips and excursions for our children. You'll have time to ask lots more questions. I'll just end with partnership. I'm sorry, I will not end with partnership. One more thing. Global citizenship is very much a part of the IB, and it's also very much a part of our accrediting body, which is the Council for International Schools. More importantly, though, we are an international school. Mike spoke to our diversity, and we're coming together with a myriad of cultures and languages and experiences, and lots of third culture children and intercultural children from different cultures within the same family. So this is actually our new global citizenship commitment that we'll be unrolling this year with our students. But very much as part of culture, and especially where we are here in Switzerland, language is an essential component of integration. So all of our children take German. In fact, we're very proud of our end results as they exit the IBDP. But in the middle school, coming up from junior school, all of our students are engaged in German in the right phase for their current approach. And that's very much focused on using language production, creating in that language and being able to speak and integrate into our community. And then as well in the middle school, students may choose either Spanish or French. And so within our school alone, they are learning 3 languages. And then, of course, many of our children have a host of other languages as well. So languages are very much a part of global citizenship, and then it builds out from there. And we are committed to community partnership. And I will now close with our commitment to you as well as parents. This is our partnership model. Our students are at the center of who we are and what we do, and all of us are surrounding them in a circle of support. And so you are very much our partners in this journey. The middle years are an exciting, fun, interesting, engaging time, but also challenging. Our students are transitioning and learning and growing all the way through, and we know that you know your children best. And so we come together and offer a circle of support for our students. So thank you again for your interest, and I look forward to meeting you in the breakout rooms.
Fantastic. Thanks so much, Tara. I am now going to set up 2 breakout rooms. You can choose which to go to, but we're going to repeat them. They're going to run for about 10 minutes or so, and then we're going to run them again. So you can choose which one you want to go to first. Room 1 is academics with Sian Thomas, and room 2 is Anthony and our school life. So you can choose whichever of those 2 rooms you would like to go to now. Anthony and Sian will join you in the rooms, and they will lead the sessions for the next 10 minutes or so, and then we will repeat those so you get a chance to go to the other room should you choose to do so. Before we draw to a close, there's a couple of things. I've put email addresses and phone numbers on the screen of some of the key people this evening. Please feel free to reach out at any time if you have any questions. We are super happy to help, and whatever those questions may be, please don't hesitate. We're also going to share this with you tomorrow. We'll send it to all participants so you can kind of review, look over, and think about some of the things we've said. If you want to review those, that's absolutely fine. Before we do go, please, there is a quick poll. I'm going to launch it now. So if you have specific needs or things you'd like to follow up on, please complete that poll. That will enable us to approach you directly with those specific things and tailor those conversations to meet your needs, which would be very useful for us and hopefully very useful for you. Victoria, I'm assuming you're filling in this as well.
I know it all. Perhaps a quick reminder that we will follow up tomorrow with the whole presentation, the recording, and related materials for them to review at home, including our contact information.
Absolutely. And with that, it brings our virtual presentation to an end, to a close. I really hope that you guys found it useful. I hope that your questions have been answered, or at least some of those. And if they haven't, please take the next step, reach out to us, send your questions directly, and we'll be really happy to answer them. Again, if you'd like to visit, come to the school, have a trial day for your sons and daughters, we can make that happen and be delighted to do so. I'd like to thank Victoria, Tara, Anthony, Sian. Thank you for your time, and David for making the tech stuff work. The rest of you, hopefully have a very good evening. Sit back in the warmth, maybe with a glass of wine, and enjoy the rest of the night. Hopefully see you soon. Goodbye, one and all. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Good night.
Bye, everyone.
Nice to see you, Karen.